Hello everyone. In this video, we will discuss about the concept of factors. In competitive exams, we may come across a situation where we need to find the number of factors of a given number, sum of the factors of a given number, product of the factors, number of even factors, number of odd factors, factors which are perfect squares or factors which are perfect cubes. In this video, we will see how to find those. First, I will show you difference between the factors and multiples. For example, if you take the number 6, the factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6, whereas the multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18, 24 and so on, it continues. First we will see how to find number of factors for a given number. Suppose if you take example 60, the factors of 60 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 10, 12, 15, 20, 30, 60. For smaller numbers, we can write the number of factors like this and count these. Suppose if we want to find the number of factors for 1320, we cannot do like this. So we have a formula. Let's discuss about the formula for finding the number of factors. We write 60 as a product of prime numbers. 6 into 10, which will become 2 into 3 into 2 into 5. 2 power 2 into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. Now the factors of 2 square are 2 power 0, 2 power 1, 2 power 2. Whereas factors of 3 power 1 are 3 power 0, 3 power 1. Factors of 5 power 1 are 5 power 0, 5 power 1. Now to find number of factors, add this 3, 2, 2, multiply. 3 into 2, 6, 6 into 2, 12. For this we have one formula. When number is written in the form of a power p into b power q into c power r, where a comma b comma c are prime numbers, the formula for finding number of factors are p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1. See here, 2 square into 3 power 1 into 5 power 1. 2 comma 3 comma 5 are prime numbers. Number of factors are 2 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1. 3 into 2 into 2, which will become 12. Next we will see how to find the sum of factors. The formula for finding the sum of factors for a given number n is a power p plus 1 minus 1 divided by a minus 1 into b power q plus 1 minus 1 divided by b minus 1 into c power r plus 1 minus 1 divided by c minus 1. If you observe these terms, these are in geometric progression. That's why we have found this formula. Now we will see how to find number of odd and number of even factors. First, odd factors. We know that when an even number multiply with an odd, the resultant is even. So remove even factor here, that is remove this. Now here total number of factors are 2, here 2. Multiply these two, we get total number of odd factors. Now for finding even number of factors, remove odd number of factors from the total number of factors, that is 12 minus 4. We get 8. 8 is total number of even factors. Next we will see how to find number of factors which are perfect squares and number of factors which are perfect cubes. Here to find number of perfect squares in a factors of given number, we have one condition, that is the power must be a 0 or a multiple of 2. Now we need to check how many factors satisfying this condition. Check here first. 2 power 0, this one is satisfying. 2 power 1 not satisfying. 2 power 2 it is satisfying. That means here total number of factors satisfying are 2. Here only this factor is satisfying, that is 1. Here also only one factor satisfying, 1. Now multiply all these 3, we get our number of perfect squares, that is 2. Now to find number of perfect cubes, we have a condition, that is the power must be a 0 or a multiple of 3. Now we will check how many factors satisfying these conditions. Here only one factor, 1. Here also only this factor satisfying, 1. Here also 1. That means total number of perfect cubes in factors of 60 are 1. Now we will see how to find product of factors of any given number. Product of factors can be written as 1 into 60 into 2 into 30 into 3 into 20 into and so on up to 6 into 10. Here all the product values in the brackets will become the given number, that is 60. 60 raised to the power of 6. We have a formula for finding product of factors for a given number, which is given number raised to the power of number of factors divided by 2. In this case total number of factors are 12. So we can say that the product of factors are 60 raised to the power of 12 divided by 2, which will become 60 power 6. Now we will solve one more example so that we all will get clarity. Here given number is 120. 120 can be written as product of a prime numbers like this, 2 cube into 5 power 1 into 3 power 1. First we will find number of factors, that is p plus 1 into q plus 1 into r plus 1, 3 plus 1 into 1 plus 1 into 1 plus 1, 4 into 2, 8, 8 into 2, 16. That means number of factors for 120 are 16. Now we will find product of factors. For finding product of factors we have a formula, given number raised to the power of number of factors by 2, 116 divided by 2, which will become 120 raised to the power of 8. Now we will find number of odd and even factors. For finding number of odd factors we have to remove the even factor. Remove this. Here 5 power 0, 5 power 1, 3 power 0, 3 power 1, 2 factors, 2 factors, 2 into 2. That means total number of odd factors are 4. To find even factors, subtract odd number of factors from total factors. Total factors are 16, subtract 4. That means total number of even factors are 12. Next we will find total number of factors which are perfect squares and total number of factors which are perfect cubes. For finding total number of perfect squares, there is one condition, that is the power must be either 0 or a multiple of 2. Here 2 factors satisfying that condition. Here only one factor, here one factor. That means number of factors which are perfect squares are 2. To find number of factors which are perfect cubes, the condition is the power is either 0 or a multiple of 3. Here two factors satisfying the condition. Here one factor, here also one factor. That means total number of factors which are perfect cubes are 2. That's all about this topic. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please share and subscribe.